Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process of configuring a group-level custom attribute in Bold BI and using that attribute inside a PostgreSQL query to enable secure, group-based data filtering. A group custom attribute is a name-value pair assigned to a specific group. All users belonging to that group inherit the attribute value, which can be referenced in queries just like a dynamic parameter. This makes it easy to control data access at the group level without managing individual user settings. For this demo, the data is filtered based on the user's group membership. This ensures that users within the same group see only the data relevant to their assigned group. We use this approach to strengthen security, simplify access management, personalize dashboards for teams, and avoid creating or maintaining multiple data sources for different groups. First, open the Bold BI dashboard server. Open the Settings page. Go to the Groups section and open the group you want to configure. Select Add Attribute. In the Add Attribute dialog, enter the attribute name in the Name field and the value in the Value field. Add a description to explain the purpose of the attribute. If the value is sensitive, you can enable encryption. This stores the encrypted value in the database, and it appears as dots in the grid. Select Save to save the attribute. Now the attribute has been added successfully under the Group Attributes section. Add an attribute for another group. Next, open the Dashboard Designer. Go to the Data Sources section and select Create New. Choose PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details. Select Connect to open the Query Designer. To add a condition, select Code Mode. Apply a filter that uses the custom attribute by adding a where condition that references the attribute. This ensures the query returns data based on the logged-in user's attribute value. Select Run to preview the results. I add the bar chart widget to the dashboard and bind the field in the Assign Data tab. Then I publish this dashboard. In this widget, the industrial and traffic values are displayed for this user. Next, I log this user out and sign in as another user who belongs to the project team group. For this user, the widget now displays the commercial and residential sector data based on the group-level custom attribute. By defining custom attributes at the group level, you can centrally manage data access for multiple users at once. In this video, you learned how to add a group-level custom attribute in Bold BI and use it in a PostgreSQL query to support dynamic, user-specific filtering. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more Bold BI tutorials.